Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. So today we'll be learning that how we can make letter of intent, also known as LOI. So why it is used for? It is basically used to know the description of the goods by importer to exporter, or in easy words you can say by buyer to seller, to know the description of the goods, basic information about the company, and to know what are their requirements. So we'll be learning that. So on the right corner you'll mention the date, then you'll mention the reference number, LOI number, which is used to keep in record that which order you are going to place. After that you'll mention the company details, means seller details, what is the company name, their email address, contact number, etc. So these details will be mentioned. Alright, so after that we'll mention that we are willing to purchase the product, what are the requirements, specification of the products. We'll mention that step by step now. Okay, so you can insert the table like this accordingly as per your requirement. Then we'll mention headings step by step. First of all, we'll go with product, like what product you want. We'll mention that. Then we'll mention the origin, like from which country you want it specifically. Then we'll mention the quantity, like how much quantity you want in bulk or whatever. Then we'll mention the destination port, where you want to receive the goods. Then we'll mention the payment method, payment mode, or payment terms, like how you will going to pay. Then we'll mention the product specification, the basic details to specify. After that you can enhance the look to make it look more professional. Then we'll add the details, like product, for example, if you want to purchase basmati white Sela rice 1121, then we'll add the product description of rice. Then we'll add origin, like from which country you want to purchase, India, Pakistan, etc. It depends on the product also, like if any other products are there, you can, like origin is not a concern, you can buy it globally, worldwide. But for rice specifically, if you're living in Asian countries, Gulf countries, Middle Eastern countries, so it's mostly from India and Pakistan only. So I'll mention that. Then we'll add the quantity, like for example 4 containers of 20 feet. 40 feet we use if it's any other product like fruits or vegetables. For rice it comes only in 20 feet container, so we'll mention that. Then we'll add the delivery port, it's Rashid Port, Dubai, for instance. Then we'll mention the payment method, like how you're going to pay. So we can mention the options for the supplier or seller to be convenient. So we'll just put the marking, and then we can add like cash on delivery, like when you receive the goods and you'll make the payment, or bank to bank transfer you can do, like you'll get the documents also from bank to bank and everything will be, all transaction will be bank to bank. Or you can do exchange transfer from the money exchange, or you can do then TT or LT. TT is telegraphic transfer, or you can do letter of credit. So it depends like on your company policies, that how you can make the payment. So these are the all payment policies for the supplier to choose from. Then you'll mention the product specification. You'll mention that what is the packing standard, 40 kg PP bag packing you require. Then you'll mention the grain size, it's 8.25 mm long grain size you want. Then you'll mention the brokerage, it should be less than 4%. And the rice color, you want it brownish, whitish, so you'll mention that also accordingly as per your requirement. So this is the whole basic information which is mentioned in letter of intent, LOI, which describes clearly point to point that what is your requirement of the product. And at the end you can mention that we are looking forward for mutual long-term relationship. We'll get you the purchase order and In the next video we'll be learning that how we can make purchase order, so we'll do that in the next video. And at the end you can mention your company details, like what is your contact details, your email address, your license number, etc. You can mention the details with your official stamp seal, as it's an official letter, so you can mention that with your signature. And at the end, as you can see, I have mentioned the letterhead, so you can also mention along with your company's logo, so that it will be in more professional and a legal way to make your orders. You can make your logo and then you can insert it from the picture, and you can then shape it accordingly as you like. So then finally our letter of intent is completed, so yeah, you can have a look on it once. And I hope so this was helpful for you all. If you have any questions, you can please let me know your feedback in the comment section. It will be very grateful for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it, and we'll see you in next video with the purchase order. Bye, and do subscribe my channel for more.